Hello there, Mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x is equals to x plus 5 times x squared minus 10x plus 25. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A. P has exactly 2 distinct real zeros. B. P has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. C. P has exactly 1 distinct real zero and no non-real zeros. And D. P has exactly 1 distinct real zero and 2 non-real zeros. So, to find the zeros of a polynomial, we will make the factors equal 0. So there are 2 factors here. And separately, we will make them equal to 0 and we'll solve for it. And take away 5, x equals negative 5. So, from the second factor, we will make that one equal to 0 as well. So this is x and x. We are factoring it out. 5 times 5 gives you positive 25, but when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 10, the number in front of the x. Therefore, they're both supposed to be negative because negative times negative is positive, but when you add them, negative 5 by negative 5, you get negative 10. So when you write the factors side by side, this becomes x minus 5 times x minus 5 equals 0. So if you will solve it for 0, this is exactly the same thing, but I'm going to show it to you. X equals 5, and when you add 5, here x equals 5. So we found these roots. We have negative 5 and 5, but these 5s are common, so they are same. And in this case, we will say P has exactly 2 distinct real zeros. So the correct answer is choice A for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.